Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It's me. So today we'll talk about the fourth trait of success, that is nothing but belief. To become a successful person, belief is important, which plays a vital role. The most important thing is belief system. If you believe in something, success is bound to happen. This is the only belief that works. If you have belief in any action, thought process, imagination, or in anything, that belief turns into reality. Everybody must have heard one story of the baby elephant. During initial days, the master of baby elephant tried his one leg with a small piece of rope and another with a bamboo pole. Since it was a baby elephant, it was not possible for him to make himself free from this bond. He tried a lot, but his effort went into vain. After trying for some time, he stopped trying as well as on the basis of his past experience. He developed this belief system that it is not possible for him to make himself free from this bond. When the elephant grew up, his master kept on fastening him, but the same rope, but the poor elephant was even not trying to make himself free, though he had the power to break this bond. Now the elephant held back, not by the punny rope, but by its belief system. Are you too? We all have power to get success, but our belief makes us strong or weak. Our belief system can bring us success or failure, happiness or sorrow. Story of Karoli. This is the story of Karoli Takskau, was the best right-handed shooter of Hungarian army. This story is of 1938. At this time, Karoli was the national champion in shooting. He wanted to be the best shooter of the world. But in 1938, during the war drill, he lost his right hand due to the hand grenade blast. After 1 month of hospitalization, he decided to concentrate on what he was left with, his left hand. He started the training of his left hand. In 1939, National Championship took place and he went there. Other shooters were appreciating him for his sportsmanship, but he told them that he was not there as a spectator but to compete with them. As a result, his determination, he won the national championship, but he wanted to become the best shooter of the world. He started focusing on 1940 Olympic, but due to war, Olympics got cancelled. He started focusing on 1944 Olympic, but they also got cancelled due to war. In 1948, he participated in Olympics and won the gold medal. He didn't stop here. He participated in 1952 Olympics and created history by winning the gold medal again. He was the only athlete who won two gold medals in the consecutive Olympics. The story indicates very clearly that your belief in yourself and your determination is of utmost importance to achieve the goal. So every success story starts from belief. At the same time, every unsuccessful story also begins with another belief. Your belief is your dream will decide in your dream will decide your success or failure. If you believe, you will succeed. Otherwise, failure is bound to happen. Faith is the reservoir from which we draw power. In life, you will come across with many people having the negative mindset, and they will leave no stone unturned to make you realize that you cannot be successful. But it's your belief that you will work as safeguard against all these negative people and will give you power to move towards the success. So believe in yourself, believe in your goal.